Hello. Today's lesson is about the verb be in information questions with what? Hello. Are you a new student? Welcome to our class. My name is Lisa Rizzo. I'm your teacher. I have some questions for you. First, what's your name? And what's your email address? We use what and be to ask for information about things. For singular things, or one thing, use what is, or the contraction what's. For example, what's your name? What's his phone number? What's her email address? For plural things, or two or more things, use what are. For example, what are their names? Be careful, we do not contract what are. What are their ages? Not. Now, tell me a little more about yourself. What are your favorite TV shows? What's your favorite kind of music?